With AAC technology, we don't plan for if it breaks. We plan for when it breaks. And make no mistake, eventually, it's gonna break. Even updating the operating system can delete the app and all your students' page sets. But don't be scared. There is a way to avoid this tragedy. Here's how. First, you'll need to connect to the Wi-Fi. Use the home button to exit TouchChat and then open the Settings app. Select Wi-Fi from the menu on the left-hand side. Then, turn on the Wi-Fi. It should be green if it's turned on. From there, select your network from the list and enter your password if needed. Now, open the TouchChat app. Select Vocab and choose New Vocab. Select Import/Export Vocab. Select Export and Share. Select the student's page set from the list. Select Done. Select Save to Files. Select iCloud Drive and select Save. And remember not to store the page set on the iPad. We will not be able to retrieve it if the iPad is lost, damaged, or stolen. To check and make sure the page set has been saved, select the iPad file icon from the iPad home screen. You should see your student's page set stored in the iCloud Drive. Here's how to do it. Now let's check to make sure your page set is saved. Remember to save the page set every time you make changes. You've got this. So next time the iPad falls in the pool or gets run over by the family car, you can rest easy knowing that your students' page sets are safe.